Now, what is exposure adjustment on the iPhone? Let's get into it. So if you are recording a video or using the camera to capture photos, you can easily just tap on the screen somewhere and there is going to be a square which pops up with the sun icon next to it. So this is the focus / exposure settings or adjustment directly inside of the camera. So whenever you tap on somewhere, the section you tapped on will be focused at, and you can also use the slider and slide it up and down to raise or lower the exposure. This is sort of the brightness of the shot that you are capturing, so you can do it in real time to adjust it the way that you want. Also, what you can do is to hold down on that square and end up with a locked exposure and focus. So even if you move around and go to a different or look at something else, it doesn't change it back to its original, but it stays at the one which you have chosen. So this is essentially the exposure adjustment inside of the camera on iOS. However, for a more comprehensive or in-depth professional approach, you can use a different camera app. For instance, there is the Final Cut camera, and it is from Apple. But the point is that using this app, you have much more options and much more flexibility when it comes to adjusting the exposure, because you have some settings like ISO and you have the shutter speed which can be adjusted manually, and you have some different things like the white balance, and you can see that you literally just get to pick and play with these settings as if you were using an actual DSLR camera. So you decide if the built-in camera is good enough for you or if you need more in-depth exposure adjustments. In that case, you will need to use a third-party app, but I believe that for the majority of the people, the built-in camera is going to be more than enough. So that's it from me. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to this channel because I publish a lot of videos and I'm pretty sure that you would find at least some of them useful. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.